Hello friends, my name is Advika Reddy and today I am going to tell a story. I'll cure you with this mini theatre and puppets. So let's start. Once upon a time there lived a kind-hearted but a lazy king who used to eat and sleep throughout the day. The people of his country weren't happy with their king's laziness. The queen was a very frail, elegant and very intelligent woman but she always worried about the king's health. She always said, "Hey king, it's fine to eat unhealthy food once in a while, but you should exercise every day." But he always replied, "No way, I'm the king. I can eat whatever I like and do nothing." Soon he became a potato couch. He couldn't move his body, not even his foot. Everybody in his country started to make fun of him. So, embarrassed queen invited expert doctors from various parts of his country. But unfortunately, nobody could help. So, she made a plan that would make her husband fit. That night, she told him, "You know, there is a holy man that can cure you easily." "What? Who?" he replied shockingly. "It is not true. Nobody can cure me." He replied harshly, "It is. You did not hear? The people call him the lifesaver monk. Even I heard about him." She replied very calmly. She continued, "But you have to go to his place. He never visits anybody's house." "He cannot," he mumbled. She was terrified, but before she spoke anything, he said, "All right, I can do anything for my people." He sounded very confident. The queen smiled broadly as things were going according to her plan. In the next morning, after strenuous efforts, the king reached the holy man's place. The holy man said, "I will cure you surely, but you have to come here tomorrow by walking on your foot." The king agreed the condition. He was unable to walk even a few steps, but he somehow managed to reach the holy man's place. But unfortunately, he was not available. His followers requested the king to come and meet him tomorrow. As per the queen's plan, this was repeated for 2 weeks. The king never met the holy man and never had any treatment. Gradually, he realized that he felt a lot lighter than before, lost a considerable amount of weight, and felt more active. Soon, he realized the reason why the holy man told him to come to his place by walking. The king regained his health. The people of his country were happy with their active king now. The queen achieved what she wanted. Her plan worked out so well, and nobody ever knew. The moral of the story is, eat healthy, stay healthy. Thank you. Hope you like it.